Welcome to our channel. Clearing your Google Maps search history protects privacy and removes clutter. Here's how to delete it completely. Step 1. Open Google Maps app on your device. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Step 2. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. This opens your account menu. Step 3. Select Settings from the menu options. Scroll down to find Maps History. Step 4. Tap Maps History to view all your search locations and directions. Step 5. To delete individual entries, tap the X next to each search you want to remove. Step 6. To delete everything, tap the three-dot menu and select Delete Activity By. Step 7. Choose your time range. Select all time to delete entire history or choose a specific period. Step 8. Confirm deletion when prompted. This action cannot be undone, so be certain before proceeding. Step 9. Turn off Maps activity to prevent future history saving. Toggle web and app activity off in settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.